Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Beacons 101 video, where we dive into all the tips and tricks and new features Beacons has to offer. And today, it's a game changer for all you email marketing pros out there. As you already know, Beacons is stacked with more than 10 apps to boost your content hustle and monetize like a pro. But let's talk about one of our powerhouse tools, email marketing, which just got a sweet upgrade. Now, picture this, you've crafted the ultimate 10 email sales funnel, all queued up to work its magic. You hit send, and boom, a sale after the third email? But oops, your customer keeps getting email after email pushing them to buy the product they already bought? Kinda awkward, right? Well, no more. We fixed that with our brand new email end conditions. Now you can set up a stopping point in your automation so when your funnel does its thing and they make the purchase, they won't be spammed into oblivion. Trust me, you'll look way more professional and your customers will thank you for it. It's super easy to set up, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's get into it. To start off, open up Beacons and on the left-hand navigation, click on Email Marketing. Now, let's say you've already created an email sales funnel and you want to add the new end conditions. All you have to do is head to the top of the page and click on Automations. Find the automation you want to add and click on View Details. You'll be redirected to the email sequence page, and at the very top where it says Start Condition, you can also find the Add End Condition right under that. In the automation settings, you'll find End Condition at the bottom. And here is where you can choose the product the customer will buy that will stop the automation once they purchase it. And by clicking this toggle, it will also remove the subscriber from the email list of the specific sequence. Now, your automation sequence will run on its own and will stop if your subscriber has bought a product from you. It's fast, it's easy, and your customers will be happy. Alright y'all, that's a wrap. Now you're all set to use the email conditions feature and avoid that awkward moment when your fans get 10 emails begging them to buy something they've already bought. Trust me, they'll appreciate it. Now you're all set to level up your email game without annoying your customers. Because let's face it, nobody wakes up excited to check their inbox, right? Unless it's full of sales, of course. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, check out our other videos, and hit that subscribe button. Give us a follow on our Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and don't forget to join our Discord. Alright y'all, I'll see you next time.